Storm Tracker 7 weather is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Good Tuesday evening to you. Storm Tracker 7 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Booth here. We are tracking another round of showers and storms. Not everyone's getting it, but we are picking up those random downpours right now. And if you get caught under any of these, you are looking at some heavy rain. You can see starting to roll in across the area. We've had actually heavier rain excuse me, just out to the east of us. That's where we kind of had the worst of it, but still, we're still tracking the threat for a little localized flooding as we watch these come through. You can see Cat has just had some action go through there, New Athens as well. Also, a little bit of rain just to the west of Amsterdam, a little bit as well as you move on down through, well, we had some out through the Steubenville, Mingo Junction area. Now out into Smithfield, we have a little bit of rain, actually some downpours in West Liberty. The one thing, at least these are moving through fairly quickly. They're not just kind of stuck in one place, just dumping water, but still, they're dumping a lot of water as they roll through. More showers as well as you jump on out over to Cambridge, down into Byesville. We've got some of that on its way into Pleasant City as well. And we're also looking at some of that rain too, making its way out through Bethesda, on up towards St. Clairsville. Some showers, some storms, and also some rain now hitting Belair, Shady Side, on its way down into Moundsville as well. So we're tracking rain that way. Now, not as much rain as you move into the southern portion of the area, but still north side of Noble County getting some rain. And we've had a couple of showers that have gone through Pine Grove, gone through basically parts of Wetzel County. As we throw your future radar into play, this is what we're expecting over the next couple of hours. We're going to continue to see showers and downpours roll through this area as we head on into the evening hours, and it looks like we will be tracking the threat for some heavy rain at times, but as we start to lose the daytime heating, things don't necessarily fizzle out, but you don't have quite as much oomph, if you will, on those showers and storms. And you can kind of see, again, heavier rain off to the east of us, but we're picking up some of these scattered downpours that are coming down where we are. So again, watch out for that. And what's going on is we have the upper level storm track. We got moisture along that, which is aiding in rain development. One thing we do have going for us, at least today, is we're not really worried about too many strong to severe storms. That action is off to the west of us. Tomorrow, though, we do have the entire area under a marginal risk. So this would be a 1 out of 5, with 5 being the worst, 1 being the lowest threat. A marginal risk of a few stronger storms tomorrow evening. And then on Thursday, a marginal risk for a few stronger storms. And this just kind of shows you that the front that's coming through here, basically the main weather maker, is not going to be hitting at the peak daytime and the peak daytime heating. It looks like it's going to be hitting tomorrow evening, if not overnight. Still have the threat for some strong storms, but also we'll have the threat for some heavy rain as it rolls through. And we are under flood watches in the entire area until 10 o'clock tonight. We're looking at 74 in Wheeling, rain cooled air there. 80 in Zanesville, basically the mid to upper 70s to right around 80 across the area. Storm Tracker 7 predictor has some showers, some storms rolling through here. There's 8 o'clock. We'll stop the clock at 10. Things starting to lessen a little bit on that front. And then tomorrow morning, we're getting a little break. Now, look what happens. By the afternoon, lunchtime, could see a couple of showers, few storms. We have some then action approaching us tomorrow night. That's also when we're watching out, is tomorrow night into Thursday. We'll have the threat for more storms and could lead to some more localized flooding as well. But once this action gets through here by Thursday afternoon and evening, we're starting to get a break finally. But chance for those pop-ups tomorrow, 84. Expecting showers and storms at times on your Thursday, a high of 80. The first day of summer officially gets here on Friday, 83. It's going to start drying out. We'll get some sunshine. 89, going to feel a lot like summer by the time we hit Saturday, and we are back into the 90s on your Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Going to feel a lot like late summer, actually. And with the humidity, it's going to feel a lot hotter than that. We're going to be dealing with muggy weather really over the next few days, but it's going to get real bad by the end of the 7-day.